Good evening, and outdoors faithful. Yes, we are back on a weekday. My goodness gracious, it must be 47 degrees outside. But anyway, I have my very good friend, Bob St. Pierre, is in studio.
We're almost there, Captain. We're almost to opening day. It's the greatest day of the year.
I am so ready. I can't tell you how ready I am. And not only that, it's something that's so important to my family because Eric and Chad have grown up with the pheasant opener. And now they've each got kids of their own. And so it's just going to be a process, opening day of pheasant season, that's going to go on and on and on. I don't know if I can hit anything, but we're going to find out in time, we'll tell.
20 years ago, I was somewhat randomly paired on 100,000 watt radio as the Captain Billy Hildebrand's co-host for Fan Outdoors every Thursday evening and Saturday morning to talk hunting, fishing, and conservation. The Lacey Law was invented because of you and your crock pots.
I actually bought a crock pot too.
I was totally going to ask who that was. Oh my God.
20 years later, I am an honorary member of the Hildebrand family.
See how much bigger they are?
Needs a little more salt. Over the years, we've shared countless radio shows, laughs, and hunts together. But there is no more special time for the Hildebrands than the Minnesota pheasant hunting opener. All right, rolling. Gitch. Come here, Gitch. Want to say hi?
We're, an outdoor family, generations, I would say. It's a unique passion that someone has. And then to get into, a conservation field or the outdoor wildlife field, you need to have that passion inside to fulfill and keep driving with it. Hoping that you can improve and help for our next generation, our kids, and that they can have the excitement, have the passion, and have love that we have, that we got passed down from our father.
Nice. Much nicer than the other one.
And pheasant hunting seems like a major connection between you and your dad.
Yeah, it's like something that, we can do, and I look forward to it, and I think he looks forward to it, and it's just like, we're gonna take a weekend, we're gonna just go, me and him.
Do you want the end, or you want to be next to Eric?
No, I don't care. I don't want to be in the cattails.
Okay. You know how we hunt this field and there's almost always a bird right at that tree line? Who's gonna get the chance this year?
They are.
They're a little closer to the action. Okay. Rooster!
We've been doing this for a long time, so the anticipation building up, like you wait all year for pheasant hunting to come around. When we're out today, the camaraderie, like you can look over and you can see everybody. You can see the excitement. Even though I was on 100 yards away, Chad was on a dead run after one of the dogs. And I knew that he was getting to the point where like, okay, I'm getting close to the dog. A bird's gonna bust up and it's gonna be bingo time.
Yeah, I got a point, huh?
Oh.
We got it, right here, right here. Golden's got it.
There you go, girl.
Doc trailed that one a ways.
Yeah. First one of the season.
Look at that. The beautiful colors of autumn. Good shot, Chad.
Thank you.
Opening day.
There's that team, right? This is a team sport. We're in it together. We're out walking together. We're using each other's dogs.
Okay, find him. Head!
There's another one way out there.
Oh, you hear 2 shots, so it doesn't mean it's gonna be a good one. Has he had 2 shots or 3 shots in that gun?
He's shooting the silver pigeon, so he shot twice.
Yeah, 2 shots is miss. That's what I'm going with.
Find it. Let's go. Find it. Find it. Ah! Oh! Thank you. I got crack blocked by a deer. That's never happened to me. All right, we gotta find that bird. I didn't crush it. Hey, atta good. Woo!
Good boy.
Atta girl, get you. Good point. Bird gets up through this stuff, which is like twice as tall as I am.
That's how you shoot.
I shot and I dropped it. I knew I didn't hit it very well, so I was on a mission to get into the area. And I'm coming through this deer trail, and a deer ran me over. I want the extra weight, knows that I was successful. Yeah.
There we go.
Oh, that was fun. Good job, Gitchy. Good job, little girl. All right, thank you for the retrieve, Chev. Let's go get another one.
Yeah, there's more here.
I could do one without the deer running me over next time.
Good boy, come here.
Chad. Chad, hard point. Turkey! Whoa!
Oh, bird, no bird. Hey, ho!
Be prepared for anything, Chad. Rooster!
Young bird.
Yeah, you can see all the whiteness in here. It's a real juvenile bird, which is a good sign for reproduction.
Yeah.
Congrats.
Yeah.
On the board, 2023.
Right on.
Golden hour.
Yeah.
I'll let her roam.
What is that, bud? There's Bappa.
Yeah.
You say cowabunga?
It was important that we come together as a family, especially now with this little guy coming in. I think it's going to be pretty neat watching him with this next step coming into the tradition.
I think the older he gets and the more interested in it he gets, we're like getting to relive it again. Like last year, when he was talking about going out and Dad shoots the rooster and then he says, fetch it up, Calla, and Calla fetches it up, and like he's getting excited, and you remember how excited you were when you started. And I think that's half the fun, is getting to do it over and over and over and over again. You're getting to see it through their eyes with the excitement of the first time.
Remember that spot? That's where you shot your deer. Right? We had to come back there.
What's opening day mean to you?
Family, friends, coming together, being able to just enjoy each other and enjoy the time. It's once a year. Pheasant Open's always this weekend. I'm excited for it every year. It's on recurring on my calendar. I'm ready to go. So I just, the excitement is on. You can't explain it.
Will you ever miss an opener?
No.
And what's it mean to you now that they're bringing grandchildren to pheasant camp and their wives, your daughter-in-laws are hunting with us?
It means I was successful. That's what it means. You know, and it's not rocket science. It really isn't. Family teaches family. Outsiders teaching family to hunt later. I wonder how long the longevity will be. I don't know. I can tell you for those guys how long it'll be. It'll be forever. I'm not going to be here a long time, but the cabin is going to be theirs. This will be theirs. So we need to go because I'm going to get emotional.
Means a lot to me too.
Good.
Thank you.
You do too, buddy. You're a best friend.
Hugging the pheasant field.
Thank you. Goofed up.
We'd love to tell you guys that we are expecting our second child.
You are not.
And what better thing on opener?
Are you serious? You are not.
Hey!
Did you know this? You are not.
Yeah.
Danielle, did you know this?